Hello guys, so this will be the full video. So guys, I'm gonna show you this one. I think looks so cool. It's like a metal one. I do not have that one. Okay, this is interesting. This is actually very interesting because it has like this like text. I don't know. It looks like it. Looks like this got like added on. It's like interesting. Yeah, this is like something that got added on. So there's like tape. I'm gonna put stuff that we haven't looked at over there. Here's a wood light switch. Really cool. And then there's just a light switch. Oh goodness. Alright. See. Well, this is an outlet thing. The inside. This is just like the inside of the switch right there. And these are for, I'm not sure what kind of light that is. These are this. These ones is like bag. I think they're all the same, but looks like there's 3 different ones. Okay, there's some different things. The two back. Is that it? The ones. Okay. So these are the different ones. Those are outlets. Oh goodness gracious. Unbalanced. Oh, leave it. Interesting. This is wooden. I see the price tag on it. $1 and 0 cents. That's what it looks like. It says. I'm not sure. I have no idea. Wow, look at these. That's pretty. Look at this. Huh. This is so cool. Whoa. Oh my. This is very heavy. I believe. This is okay. Okay, so I believe that this right here. I realize I can do that and you can see what's going on. Okay, so I believe this is what it's supposed to be. It's like, oh, I'm gonna get it. Okay, this one doesn't have this. This is what it doesn't really fit. I'm not sure. Let's try to see a different one. Different ones. Okay. This one is like, okay. So you see this one? Here, I can place that. Right there. That actually, this might be an actual thing. I do not know. Honestly. I'm gonna the camera like this. So then I can show you what I'm doing. Okay, so we still got some. Okay, so this was in here, and I think this fell out. Look at this light switch thing. These keep on falling out. This. Now I'm trying to. Okay. So I have like a pile of lights, which is an outlet over there. Okay, so I got something different. I don't. This is still in packaging. Okay, so this is super different. This, the ears for outlets and light switches. So it's like 2 combined. Thicker. This is interesting. I'm sorry that I'm not getting on camera. I'm just trying to see what this is. Okay. Moving right now. Okay, so this. Okay. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but different. There's like different kinds of dippers in the back. Ooh, that's kind of insane. What? I don't know. But this right here, that's kind of crazy. Not sure if we need that much. Like, I can. Okay. Where's the now? Oh. Okay. So here's the these which go into the light switch. Here's one not in the packaging. Oh my goodness, I see like a really pretty switch. And look at that. Wow. Pretty. So I have something else that is in the packaging right now. This is really pretty. Cool. That is right there. It's a lot of switches and outlets.